Hyvää huomenta, hyvät katsojat. Niin kuin sanoin, tässä on tämmöistä kivaa tutinaa päälle, mitä studioon saapuu eräs maailman kuuluisimpia talk show-isäntiä. Conan O'Brien, I suppose. Mr. Ryan.
Yes.
Yes, good
It's
morning.
exciting to be on television.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Nice to meet you.
Yes. How are you? Good to see you.
Yes,
Good to
very
see you.
fine. Hey, Conan.
Yes.
You know, I'm your very big fan.
Oh, thank
Well,
you.
like a half of Finland,
Yes.
I think, at the
Yes.
moment.
And I hope so that after this interview, you're our fan too.
Yes, of course. Yes. It's mutual.
There's the goal.
Okay, yes.
All of us in television must come together and be friends. We're all brothers, when you think of it.
Näin
the
Conan
television.
O'Brien sanoi, että hän tuli hyvin mielellään, että tuli juuri ovesta sisään ja sanoi, että kaikkialla maailmassa telkkareja tehdään. Pitää olla yhteistyötä, pitää olla yhteinen meininki, yhteinen fiilis. Ja tässä sanomme, että olemme hänen suuria faneja. Conan kiitti ja sanoi, että täällä on mukava olla.
It's Valentine's Day,
Yes.
and you have a hot date for
Yes.
today.
Well,
How
right
did you do
here.
it? Well-
Oh, I thought you meant no.
Well, actually not. I met Mrs.
Yes.
President.
Yes, I'm meeting with the president later this afternoon, and she is my date for Valentine's Day. So I'm very excited, very happy. My wife is very jealous of
Well,
Tardia.
how did you explain it to her?
I told her I'm on a business trip.
Okay.
She doesn't know about Tardia, and she's
Yet.
suspicious. She's suspicious. So when she finds out, she will be very upset. But you know how it is. You can't control love. Hi.
Eli tänään vietetään tietenkin ystävänpäivää, joka tuolla Yhdysvalloissa on tämmöisen romanttisen rakkauden päivä. Ja nyt tietenkin sitten Conanilla on tänään treffit. Hän tapaa presidentti Tarja Halosen. It's a 15 minutes, so what do you think?
Well, that describes most of my love life. 15 minutes.
Elämän suurinta rakkauden aikaa, kun tapaa Tarjan suuren idolinsa. No Conan O'Brien osaa,
Yes.
sanonut, että hänen vaimonsa on tästä mustasukkainen, mutta sillä ei mitään hätää.
No,
He ovat niin yhdennäköisiä.
I'm going to intend to meet with her, and I have of course supported Tardia in this election. She won, so I'm sure she'll be very grateful, and we'll meet. And I do not often get to meet presidents, so this is very exciting for me. Very exciting.
Eli tuon tapaamisen aikana totta kai keskustellaan tuosta varmasti vaalikampanjasta ja siitä, miten Conan tuki Tarjan uudelleenvalintaa. Ja sitten totta kai on mielenkiintoista tavata rouva presidentti.
But Conan, what do you
Yes.
think about your career and your influence on the ordinary people in USA or in the world? Do you think so that you have a quite strong influence from the people?
I think we're not sure the extent of my influence, but clearly I've touched a nerve with some people in the United States, people here in Finland, and this is all a good thing. I think the world needs more people like me, very foolish, silly people who are wasting everyone's time. I think that's important. Too many people, too many intelligent, serious people in the world. We need more people like me, I think.
I think you're right.
Why?
I have no idea. I said it to, someone needed to say something, so I just started talking, and that's what came out.
That's Bob Brian. Niin.
Yes. No, I think it's good. I think people, it's nice. People worldwide respond to the sense of humor of our show. We're very silly, and we have a silly point of view, but I think sometimes the world's a very serious place these days. People are worried about a lot of things, and a show like ours can be refreshing. Like a nice cold drink.
Yes, you're right. Tässä lyhyesti Conan O'Brien sanoo tämän shown ytimen, että hän toivoo ja sanoo sen, mä vaan sanon, että hänen kaltaisia ja tämän tyylisiä ohjelmia pitäisi olla enemmän, mitä hän edustaa. Okei, että siinä on tiettyjä typeryyksiä ja niin kuin huumorin kautta tuodaan vähän iloa tähän vähän liian vakavaan maailmaan, vaikkakin siinä on sitten semmoisia ihmisiä ja asioita, mitä käsitellään, jotka koskettaa aika syvältä. Siinä on, jotka sarjaa seuraa, niin mun mielestä hyvin lämpimästi ironisoidaan ihan Yhdysvaltain huippupoliitikkoja, tähtiä ja muita. Conan O'Brien sanoi, että tällaista pitäisi saada maailmaa lisää, koska on virkistävä juoma.
During that last speech, I actually left, made a sandwich, and had a meal, and came back. I was completely, I left the studio. That was wonderful. That was stirring, that speech.
It's eloquent.
I don't know what he's saying. Do you understand what he's saying?
Every now and
Is
then.
he even speaking
partially.
Finnish, or is he
Yes,
just
yes.
roaming
No,
into other under countries?
a little bit, yes, I have to admit.
Could I take this when I go? May I have this when I leave? Is it okay if I keep this? We don't have pillows in my
country. We have
country.
only 4 of these.
Oh, okay, all right.
Well, it's a safe.
Yes, nice.
Well, actually, I was reading a paper today, and there was an opinion that, okay, sauna ministry would be good for you, but
Yes.
actually what we are missing in this country is a king.
A king.
A king.
Well, now you're
Conan
talking my
O'Brien.
language.
Yes.
Is there a palace I could live in?
Well, that's rather modest, I have to admit, but what would you think about this? To be a king of Finland?
I don't even have to think about it too much. I accept. I love the people here. The women are very beautiful, and I would love to be king. I would like to, I think this country could have a king, if it's okay. You know, I don't want to be pushy, but I could live in a palace. We could have a palace built if there isn't a palace. And I think I would be a very benevolent, that's not even a word. This guy's, you know, you're speaking English better than I.
No.
I'd be a very benevolent king. I would be a kind king. Occasionally I'd grow angry and despotic, but for the most part I'd be a very kind, pleasant king, I think. And a good influence on the country.
Yes.
And it's good for tourism. People come from miles around.
Okay.
Yes.
Eli tänään eräässä mielipidekirjoituksessa oli ehdotus, että mitä Suomi tarvitsee. Suomi tarvitsee kuninkaan, niin Conan O'Brienista voisi tulla kuningas. Hän lupaa olla kiltti kuningas.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. Ja tästä täytyy sanoa, että sitten Conanin kanssa tehdään pidempi haastattelu. Se tekee Tiina hetkisen kuluttua. Varmasti näistä samoista teemoista jatketaan jo paljon syvällisemmin. Thank you very much, Conan.
Thank you. And I'd like
Tiina
to
jatkaa ihan
Happy
seuraavaksi.
Valentine's
Well,
Day.
thank you.
Yes.
Oh, they're so lovely. Can I take them home with me?
Thank you.